let's create a new card from template. And as you can see on the top left side, it's showing that it's a template. So on the very top right, next to the tiny little person with the plus, there is a mini board. I'm going to click on that, and that creates a card from the template. I'm going to click on create. And as you can see, it added it down here on the bottom, and it is not a template. So I'm going to take that, move it to the top, click on that. And this is going to be solid fabric. It's going to be a cool colors. So on click print, it's not going to be neutral. So solid fabric, cool colors. I'm going to change the description. And then I can write fat quarter bundle, for example. Fat quarter bundle, done. And I can actually add a label in here. For example, I can click the little plus and let's do a subtle green. And the name for that is going to be fat quarter bundle. So then let's see, where did it add it? Click on that. You see the check mark right there. Click the X and it's already added in there. Once we go back to the top to the board, you're going to see that it already added everything in there. So let's change the name to this fat quarter bundle. I'm going to put some Mermaid Shores palette. Shores palette, and this is going to be, manufacturer is going to be Kona. You can write the name on top if you want to do that. Again, purchase from, purchase quantity, leftover quantity, everything else can be filled in. But what I want to do right now is I'm going to click the little paper clip on the bottom right side, and you can add an attachment. And as you can see, you have quite a few options here. Choose from Trello, from other softwares. You can include a file, you can scan a document, you can scan a QR code, take a photo, choose from photos, or attach a link. So this is where you would copy and paste the link. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take a photo. So that's going to open my camera. Of course, you have to give it permissions. Yep. All right, go back to Trello. Oh no, what happened? Here we go. Go back to attachments, take photo. And these are my fat quarter squares. And if I want, I can do this, use photo, and now it's already in there. I'm going to click on cover and it's going to show the photos, and I can have the text color light or dark, or I can have the size of the photo large or small. I'm going to choose small with the text color that is dark. Click done. And now I can click the X on the top left, and my fabrics are already in there. And you can continue to do this and keep adding things to your inventory. So this is what Trello is for the phone. It also works on other mobile devices. For the iPad, I can use it like that as well. And if I just want to see it again a little bit closer, just click on the plus and you can see your cards a little bit bigger. Another way to add cards is that you can click on the add card down here on the bottom. So cancel that. You can click on the little picture that you can see, create card from an image, the same thing. Or you can just create a card from the template right here, and you can select any of the templates that you have directly like that. I like to create it straight into the list from here because it helps me stay a little bit more organized. So that is what Trello for the iPhone looks like.